and welcome to Rumbo al Inglés. I'm Hannah, your teacher, and welcome back to another class for low beginners. So remember, if you're a low beginner, don't change the channel. Stay tuned. And before we begin our class, I have to introduce my student that I have here with me, Ruben.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. How are you?
I'm very fine.
Are you ready for today's class?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, now, very importantly, did you study from the previous class? Did you practice and repeat?
Yes,
Yeah?
I studied.
Okay, all right. And what about you at home? Did you practice and repeat and study everything from our previous class? Well, let's see, ya veremos. So let's practice first what we did in our previous class, and then we'll continue to our next topic for today. So, Ruben, what's this?
It's a pen.
Good. Is this a book?
No, it's not.
Good. Is it a camera?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a pencil.
Good. Is this a phone?
Yes, it is.
Is this a book?
Yes, it is.
Is this a table?
Yes, it is.
Is this a chair?
Yes, it is.
Is this a plane?
No, it's not.
Is it a bus?
Yes, it is.
Good. Okay, is this a plane?
No, it's not.
Is it a train?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a car.
Good. What color is the car?
A red car.
Okay, good. It's red. Okay, good. All right, now, is this a plane?
No, it's not.
Is it a camera?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a train.
Very good. Is this a pen?
No, it's not.
Is it a pencil?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a phone.
Good. Good. So we looked at, is this a pencil? Yes, it is. The negative. Is this a book? No, it's not. Is it a plane? No, it's not. What is it? It's a pen. So, now, we also looked at some vocabulary. So we did a pencil, a phone, a book, a table, a chair. Also, what is this?
A bus.
Good. A bus,
A plane.
a plane,
A car.
a car,
A train.
a train. Good. Now we have other objects on the table. Let's see if you can identify them. So let's see. Now, is this a camera?
Yes, it is.
Good. Is this a notebook?
No, it's not.
Is it a plane?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a key.
Good, a key. Remember the pronunciation? Key. Is this a card?
No, it's not.
Is it a plane?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a coin.
Good, it's a coin. Good. Is this a cup of water?
No, it's not.
Is it a train?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a ring.
Good, repeat.
Ring.
Good, ring. Remember, we don't want to say ring, okay? Ring, corta, right? So you have to cut the ending ring. Good. It's a ring. Right now, we also looked at this is, which is esto es, esta es, right? So this is. So this is a phone. This is a book. This is a pencil. This is a pen. Give me examples, Ruben.
This is a plane.
Good.
This is a bus. This is a red car.
Good.
This is a camera. This is a watch.
Great.
This is a glass of water.
Good.
This is a phone.
Good.
This is a table.
Good.
This is a chair.
Very good. Okay, great. So this is a. This is a. So let's continue. How do we say esto no es un libro? For example, esto no es un libro.
This is not a pencil.
Okay, good. This is
Oh.
not a pencil. Use a contraction.
This isn't a book.
Good. This isn't a book. All right. So this isn't a table. This isn't a bus. This isn't a plane. Right. So this isn't using the contraction. So what's a contraction? What do we do with a contraction? Well, we're taking two words and pushing them together, right? Aplastando. So we're pushing two words together, and we substitute a missing letter with an apostrophe. right? So in Spanish, we do the same thing. For example, the expression if I say, tiras para adelante, no, tira para adelante. What do we say in Spanish usually?
Tira para adelante.
Exactly, we say tira para adelante, right? So in English, we have the same idea using the contraction, but with the apostrophe. So remember, this isn't a bus. This isn't a train. This isn't a car. This isn't a cup of water. Okay, so give me examples using this isn't with the objects on the table. Ruben.
This isn't a book.
Good.
This isn't a plane. This isn't a bottle.
Okay.
This isn't a black car.
Good. Okay, it's not good. It isn't a black car. Good.
This isn't a bus. This isn't a chair.
Good.
This isn't a table.
Good, very good. Okay, good. So again, so this isn't. So let's hear you say some examples. I'm going to hold an object and you at home use this isn't a. Ready? So this isn't a, y lo que sea. This isn't a book. This isn't a bus. Another object. This isn't a plane. This isn't a pencil. This isn't a book. This isn't a train. Okay, so again, this isn't a. This isn't a. Give me 3 more examples, Ruben. More examples.
This isn't a pencil.
Good.
This isn't a disc.
Good.
This isn't a glass of water. This isn't a bus. This isn't a pen.
Very good.
This isn't a chair. This isn't a watch. And this isn't a book.
Very good. All right, great. So, as you can see, it's very important to repeat, and repeat everything 500 times, 50 times, as many times as you can until it becomes perfect or automatic, right? Sin pestañear, right? Pestañear. So, again, let's do more examples. This isn't a bus. This isn't a plane. This isn't a car. This isn't a book. This isn't a phone. What is it?
It's a post-it.
Good. All right, good. You remember from our previous class, so this is called a post-it, right? Again, repeat, post-it.
Post-it.
Good, post-it. Remember, we have a T at the end. Post-it, post-it. Okay, good. So this isn't a book. This isn't a train. It's a post-it. So let's use that formula now. If I say, this isn't a pen, it's a book. This isn't a phone, it's a pencil. This isn't a glass of water, it's a phone. This isn't a camera, it's a car. So give me some examples using that. This isn't a, y después, it's a, y afirmativo, ¿lo que es? Okay.
This isn't a bus. It's a plane.
Good.
This isn't a bottle of water.
Repeat,
A bottle
yes,
of water.
bottle con
Bottle.
B. Okay, so the difference between B y V, right? With the B, the lips tocan, right? Los labios tocan. So we have to say bottle, not bottle, con V, pero bottle. So again, so.
This isn't a bottle of water. It's a glass of water.
Good.
This isn't a car. It's a train. This isn't a pencil. It's a phone. This isn't a book. It's a watch.
Very good.
This isn't a black car. It's a red car.
Right. I think you like the color red
Yes.
a lot.
Yes, and the car too.
Okay, good. All right, more examples. Give me more examples.
This isn't a pencil. It's a book.
Good.
This isn't a plane. It's a bus.
Good. What about this?
This isn't a car. It's a camera. And this isn't a disc. is a post-it.
Very good. Okay, excellent. Wow. Ruben, it looks like you really studied.
Yes, yes,
You
yes.
studied from the previous class and you're paying attention now.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. All right, now, so again, this isn't a key, it's a card, right? It's an identification card. This isn't a camera, it's a key. This isn't a book, it's a DVD. This isn't a train, it's a notebook. This isn't a pencil, it's a pen. Now notice, when I say it's a pen, it sounds very fast, right? So we're putting the words together. Like a native speaker, un nativo, we say it's a pen, it's a pen. So try again. So repeat after me, it's a pen,
It's a pen.
it's a pen.
It's a pen.
Good, good. So again, to sound more like a native speaker, we say it's a, right? So again, this isn't a phone, it's a book. This isn't a post-it, it's a phone. This isn't a plane, it's a post-it. Right? So give me more examples using it's a, connecting the two words together. Okay?
This isn't a bus. It's a plane.
Good, better, much, much better. Very good.
This isn't a car. It's a train.
Very good,
This isn't a pen. It's a pencil.
very good.
This isn't a notebook. It's a book. No, it's not a book.
No, it's not a book.
It's a phone. Sorry.
Good, it's a phone. So repeat that one again. Again, do it again.
This isn't a plane. It's a phone.
Good.
This isn't a phone. It's a book. This isn't a car. It's a watch. This isn't a camera. It's a plane.
Very good. All right, so much, much better. Muchísimo mejor. So did you notice the difference in the pronunciation? Okay, these are those little toquecitos, right? The little touches that make a big difference in your pronunciation and in your English. So again, we said, this isn't a book. It's a pen, right? It's a pen. This isn't a phone. It's a book, right? So very good. Now, let's repeat. Is this a bus?
No, it's not.
Is it a plane?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a key.
Good. Is this a notebook?
No, it's not.
Is it a camera?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a coin.
Good. Is this a glass of water?
No, it's not.
Is it a train?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a notebook.
Very good. Excellent job. Now, notice we looked at the interrogative. Is this a? Is this a? So literally saying, es esto un o una tal. So we're looking at the interrogative with the verb to be. How do we structure the verb to be in interrogative? We're looking at the verb plus the subject, right? Is this? So literally in Spanish we're saying, es esto un libro? Es esto un coche? Right? Es esta una mesa? So in English we have to put again the verb and the subject. Okay, so in that order we have to change the order because remember the affirmative afirmativo is subject, verb, right? Subject plus verb. And for the interrogative we just change the order. Okay, so let's just practice asking questions. So, is this a bus? Is this a camera? Is this a train? Is this a car? Is this a pencil? Is this a phone? Okay, so I want you to ask questions using is this a? Is this a? Just the interrogative. Let's practice that. Okay, so give me examples.
Is this a book? Is this a bus? Is this a car? Is this a phone? Is this a glass of water? Is this a bottle of water? Is this a phone? Is this a notebook? Is this a pencil? Is this a plane? Is this a DVD? Is this a book?
Okay, very good. Excellent. Okay. Wow, okay. I think Ruben knows is this a perfectly. Okay, very good. So again, we looked at the interrogative. Is this a? right? So practice at home. I want you to create the interrogative. I'm going to hold an object and I'll say, is this a? So I want you to say, is this a pen? Again, is this a ring? Is this a book? Is this a phone? Is this a pencil? Okay, so now I want you to answer the question. Let's answer the question. Before it was just the question, no answer. Now let's answer the question. Ruben, is this a pen?
Yes, it is.
Good. Yes, it is. Is this a key?
Yes, it is.
Is this a ring?
Yes, it is.
Good. Is this a table?
Yes, it is.
Good. Is this a phone?
Yes, it is.
Good. Is this a book?
Yes, it is.
Good. Is this a plane?
No, it isn't.
Good. Repeat. No, it's not.
No, it's not.
Good. Now you can use both. You can say no, it isn't, or no, it's not. Right now we're just practicing no, it's not.
Okay.
But you can use both. No, it isn't. No, it's not. Well, let's choose one for this program, for this class, so you can practice and repeat just one. Okay. So no, it's not. Again. So is this a plane?
No, it's not.
Is it a bus?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a car.
Good. Is this a pencil?
No, it's not.
Is it a notebook?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a camera.
Good. Is this a plane?
No, it's not.
Is it a train?
No, it's not.
Is it a bus?
Yes, it is.
Okay, good. So I changed the last question just to trick Ruben a little. Sorry. Okay, good. All right, now let's continue. So remember the vocabulary that we looked at. We had a lot of different vocabulary. Vocabulary was a table, a pen, a car, a plane, a bus, a train, a phone, a book, a chair, right? We also had a pencil, a notebook, a card, a credit card to be more specific. We also had a camera, a glass of water. Okay. We also had a disc, but more specifically, we have two types of discs. We have a CD, like a compact disc for music, and then we also have a DVD, which is for movies. Okay. What other things do we have on the table, Ruben? Ah, yes. What's this?
It's a post-it.
Good. It's a Post-it. Good. And what's this?
It's a pencil.
Good. And what's this?
It's a book.
Good. And what's this?
It's a table.
Good. What's this?
It's a key.
Good. Is this a bus?
No, it's not.
Is it a plane?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a camera.
Good. Is this a glass of water?
No, it's not.
Is it a train?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a car.
Good. What color is the car?
It's a red car.
Good. It's a red car. I think red is Ruben's favorite color. Okay, so let's constantly repeat this. Now, we also looked at this is a, this isn't a. So, this isn't a plane. This isn't a Post-it. This isn't a train. Examples, Ruben, give me examples.
This isn't a car. This isn't a bus. This isn't a book. This isn't a pen. This isn't a plane. This isn't a credit card.
Good, repeat.
A credit card.
Good, this isn't a credit card.
This
Good.
isn't a credit card.
Good, very good.
This isn't a bus. This isn't an identity card.
Okay, good. This isn't an identity card.
This isn't an identity card.
Okay, now, we're going to talk about this in another class, but did we notice the difference between a, the an? So for this one, said this is an identity card. We used an, right? Now we'll talk about this in the next class, but we use a plus a consonant sounding noun. Right, so a noun that begins with a consonant sound, like car, right? Car, we say a car, right? In the next class, we're going to look at an, which is plus a noun that begins with a vowel sound, con sonido de vocal, right? But this class, we're looking at objects that begin with a consonant sound. Again, like phone, book, pencil. So before that, we have to use the indefinite article. Remember the artículo indeterminado, which is un o una. But remember the sonido of the consonante, obliga, right? It makes it a, right? A pencil. A pencil. Okay, so a phone. Right, so continue. This isn't a. So continue with this isn't a.
Okay, this isn't a plane.
Good.
This isn't a camera.
Good.
This isn't a CD. This isn't a watch. This isn't a notebook.
Good.
This isn't a coin.
Good.
This isn't a pencil.
Okay, good.
This isn't a pen.
Very good.
Or this isn't a train.
Okay, very good. Great. And remember, how do we pronounce this object here? What's the pronunciation?
Train.
Good. Train. Train. A lot of people say tren. Tren. Right? Almost the same in Spanish, but in English we have to say train. Remember how we say árbol? How do we say árbol?
Tree.
Tree. Bien. So we don't say tri, but a tree. Okay, it sounds like a th, like a ch. How do we say viaje?
Trip.
Good. Trip. How do we say viajar?
Travel.
Good. To travel, which is a verb. A lot of people confuse the verb to travel y el sustantivo trip. How do we say sustantivo?
Noun.
Good. Okay, very good. Remember in our previous class, I asked Ruben, how do we say sustantivo? And Ruben said, substantive. Okay, like a lot of people in Spain, they think sustantivo is substantive in English, and it's not. It's definitely not substantive. It's noun, right? So when we have a noun, okay, which is an object, a person, or a concept, again, the word is noun, not substantive. Substantive doesn't exist, remember. Okay, so let's practice more interrogatives. So again, we said, is this a train? Is this a phone? Is this a book? So give me more examples with the
Okay.
interrogative. Is this a?
Is this a pencil? Is this a bus? Is this a bus?
I'm sorry, repeat.
Is this a bus?
Okay, a bus.
Is this a watch?
Good.
Is this a key? Is this a notebook? Is this a coin? Is this a camera? Is this a bottle of water?
Good. Okay, very good. A bottle of water? Okay.
Yeah.
All right, good example. Okay, now, so we looked at the interrogative. And remember with the interrogative, for the verb to be, we have to change the order, right? We put the verb plus the subject. So we said, is this a book? Is this a pen? So literally in Spanish, we say, ¿es esto un boli? ¿Es esto una mesa? And it's interesting because in Spanish, you have more choices, right? If I say, ¿está el perro en la calle? You can also say, ¿está en la calle el perro? Or el perro está en la calle? We can say it 3 different ways, but in English, we can only say, ¿está el perro en la calle? Right? We have to put the verb and the subject in that order. So in English, we only have one choice. Está el perro en la calle. Okay, so remember. Now, so again, is this a book?
No, it's not.
Is it a plane?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a pen.
Good. Is this a camera?
No, it's not.
Is it a plane?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's glass of water.
Good. Is this a chair?
No, it's not.
Is it a table?
No, it's not.
What is it?
It's a book.
Good, very good. Okay, so today we looked at a lot of things. We looked at things from our last class, which was, is this a pencil? Yes, it is. No, it's not. We also looked at, this is a. Okay, this is a book. This is a pencil. This is a pen. Okay, we also looked at or. Okay, is this a book or a car? And finally, we also looked at the definite article a, right? A book, a car, a plane, a train. And today, we focused on this isn't a car. So using the negative and the contraction, remember, this isn't a bus. This isn't a pencil. This isn't a plane. This isn't a book. Okay? And is this a, the interrogative, is this a table? Is this a notebook? Is this a bus? So I want you to practice this at home so that when we have our next class, we do our review, you'll be able to follow things very quickly. And also, Ruben, remember to practice at home as well.
Yes.
Okay, you promise?
Yes, I promise.
Okay, good. That's very important. Remember, practice, 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 and repeat this until you can do it sin pestañear, right? Without blinking, without thinking twice. So remember to practice and repeat everything. And repeat after me. Although I'm a beginner, I may be a beginner, but not for long. So hopefully you'll join us for our next class. Thank you so much for being here. I'm Hannah, and you're watching Rumbo al Inglés.